So let's talk about the biggest gaming network, the biggest gaming blockchain, Ronin. Now, first of all, the Ronin price, as you can see, is around $2.90, and the market cap is around $800 million, almost $1 billion in market cap, which is not that much considering that Ronin has the biggest games on its blockchain. And which games I'm talking about? I'm talking about specifically Pixels and Axie Infinity. Although Ronin has a lot of games and many gaming companies are coming to Ronin chain, because I think the reason is because they have the biggest games right now, which is Pixels, and last bull run it was Axie Infinity. And if we are talking about price prediction, I have really positive, really optimistic price prediction, and I will explain you why. First of all, my price prediction is $100 to $150 for Ronin token. And yes, if Ronin could reach $100 to $150, it would be around 50 to 70x gains. And here are the reasons why I am so bullish. First of all, gaming is the biggest entertainment ecosystem in the world. It is bigger than music and Hollywood, basically movies combined. Gaming is basically the biggest thing in the world. Almost everyone is playing games either on their PCs or consoles or mobile phones. And if you think gaming was big in 2021 bull run when the Axie Infinity went up, Sandbox went up, Decentraland, basically these metaverses. Every NFT project were promising that they will release a game, and none of these games came out, but there are many gaming companies like Illuvium, Star Atlas, or a Yacht Club are creating their own games, Pixels, and there are many more gaming companies creating games. Web3 games. Off the Grid was one of the biggest success in the crypto space because many huge basically gamers like Shroud, like Dr. Disrespect were actually playing these games. And that's what I'm saying, is that gaming is the biggest ecosystem, biggest thing in the world. That's why I think $50 billion for a Ronin would be nothing. I think that's why I think $100 billion in long term could be something possible for Ronin chain. Because if we are talking about utility, I think gaming in itself is a huge utility, and that's the reason why many NFT projects in 2021, 2022 were promising games. And as you may know, Bored Ape Yacht Club are creating their metaverse, their games. Dookie Dash, Pudgy Penguins are creating their games. There are other huge games like Pirate Nation, which is funded by A16Z. They paid around $33 million. But I think still the Ronin is the biggest gaming chain because they have the top 2 biggest games, and they have many games on their roster, as you can see in this website. And if I had to predict a price for 2025, and again, this video is not a financial advice, but my prediction for 2025 peak would be $100 for Ronin. That would basically take a $50 billion in market cap. But if you're looking at Ethereum, I think we could go to $10,000 in price. It would make a $1 trillion market cap, and that's like 5%. Is like $50 billion is like 5% of the market cap. That's why I think there will be many projects with $100 billion market caps and $50 billion market caps. And looking at the fact that gaming is basically $1 billion industry, and everyone loves crypto games, Web3 games, because you actually can own your skins, your tools, your weapons, everything you can own yourself, resell. And basically, you can create a new economy. Nothing is owned by these companies themselves. People, players basically own everything. And looking at the fact that Axie Infinity actually reached $10 billion market cap in 2021 when crypto was still new, gaming was still new on crypto, people were like shocked that there are NFTs, art on crypto. Before then, it was just tokens, ICOs. But now in 2021, there were NFTs, gaming, and this year, 2021, basically created this huge narrative that gaming is possible on crypto, and that decentralization narrative that you own everything in your games. I think it's a big thing. That's why I think everything is moving to blockchain where everything is decentralized. That's why I think the gaming blockchains will be huge. Also, as you may know, Avalanche is becoming this gaming blockchain. First of all, they were not intending to be a gaming blockchain, but as they saw that gaming is getting more popular and popular in the crypto space, they decided that they will be a gaming chain. And Avalanche right now is standing around $20 billion in market cap. If Ronin reached 20 billion, the price would be around $40. That's why I think $100 is nothing really impossible, because again, there are institutions. BlackRock is bullish on crypto. That's why I think there are billions of dollars going into crypto and not just Bitcoin. When the institutions, the investors see the whole space, they will understand that gaming is huge, and they will most likely invest in chains like Ronin, Immutable, Avalanche, and they will do their research and see that the biggest gaming projects, Axie Infinity and Pixels, are on Ronin. And again, this video is not a financial advice, but if you want to buy a Ronin token, you can buy it on XC. You can use my referral link to get a huge trading bonus. The link is in the description and in the comment section. Another huge fact about Ronin, which is really bullish, is that this crypto, this gaming chain, basically came out in 2022, which is actually late crypto bull run. It's basically when everything ended. Bitcoin was already down, and that's when they basically released this chain. That's why I think there is this makes a great opportunity for new people to buy it. Many people from the previous bull run don't know about Ronin. When they understand everything and they see these influencers talking about Ronin every day, because everyone is basically bullish because they actually do something and they have the biggest games on their network, that's when people will be interested. And that's why we don't know the real potential of Ronin. Like Axie Infinity was the biggest game in 2021 before the Ronin even existed. That's why I think right now 1 billion, even less than that, around $800 million market cap, is really, really low. You can see influencers like Kagi Yan is predicting $150 for Ronin. I'm predicting $100 at max in this 2025 bull run. And only after that we will see what happens in this space, because you understand everything is moving so fast. You have new chains, new developments. That's why I don't know about long-term success for any token. I'm just predicting for this upcoming bull run. And let's see what happens next. Maybe they onboard some huge games, huge gaming influencers, or maybe talking about this chain, and maybe it becomes a household name. But still, my prediction is $100 for 2025. It's basically 40 to 50x up from this price, which means that we could go from $2 to $100 for Ronin. And yeah, again, this video is not a financial advice, but if you want to buy the token, you can use the MEXC exchange. Use my referral link to get a big trading bonus. And if you enjoyed this video, press the thumbs up, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.